Welcome to Redline Review. The SUV-powered 2026 Chevrolet motorhome delivers RV luxury. Innovative style and aerodynamic silhouette distinguish the exterior. A large satin chrome Chevrolet grille and matrix LED headlights with C-shaped daytime running lights. Aluminum and carbon fiber body panels are strong and lightweight. The panoramic sunroof lights the interior. A power-operated side awning shelters outdoor seating. 22-inch dual-tone alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. Digital clean and gray water tank level indicators. An automatic sliding door that detects motion for easy entry. Design and interior featuring a mobile apartment-inspired living area with captain seats, 10-point massage, heating and cooling, and Napa leather upholstery in the front cabin and lounge. Innovative 17-inch UltraView dashboard for infotainment. The lounge contains an L-shaped sofa, folding dining table, and cabin-facing swivel seats. OLED 55-inch smart TV with Bose 3D surround sound. This modern kitchen boasts soft, close, and motorized cabinets, solid surface worktops, an illuminated backsplash, a spacious refrigerator, 190 liters, with a separate freezer, a built-in microwave oven, and a fully furnished galley with a 3-burner induction stove, high-density memory foam, queen bed. Wardrobe sensor lighting, bedside electric skylight for stargazing. Large bathroom shower cubicle with rain shower and electronic temperature control. Beautiful vanity with anti-fog mirror. Ceramic flush toilet with waste tank. Tech Smart Features Chevrolet Connect Smart Home System. Voice or app-controlled lights, thermostat, water heating, and entertainment. The 1,200-watt off-grid solar array and automated zonal heating and cooling provide comfort, while the 5G satellite internet allows remote work and streaming. Self-parking and 360-degree sensor footage. Off-grid, the quiet hybrid generator can run for 72 hours. Performance, powertrain features include a Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine for long-distance driving and towing, an 80-kilometer electric range plug-in hybrid, and a 10-speed automatic for smooth cruising. Adjustable air suspension is more comfortable on tough terrain. Traction is consistent with AWD, choosing exterior colors, white Arctic pearl, blue metallic graphite, deep ocean, bronze, satin. His target audience: the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome offers home comforts for families on the go. Digital nomads need a connected mobile office. Foreign luxury explorers. Modern automotive styling, smart home amenities, and cutting-edge engineering define the 2026 Chevrolet motorhome. Each path promises a great trip,